Hello, my name is Jan Grasedik. I'm the responsible business development manager responsible for digital transformation in EMEA. And today I would like to show you what we can do with smart pneumatics, how we can bring your pneumatics to the next level. So first of all, let's take a look what we have here as kind of a general setup there. So we are starting here on the first side with some cylinders. We have some rodless cylinders, some piston rod cylinders. Besides that, we have got some kind of valve systems where we are doing some first analytics inside, so really built-in device-level analytics. Besides that, we have got our gateway. There we do the processing of the data, further, so to say, enhancing this kind of data, turning into information. We've got our maintenance unit with some of our smart sensors, like the AVENTICS here. And we have got here ultimately the dashboard, where you can see where data has been transformed into insights ultimately. So let's start in the first step, what we can see here on such a dashboard. So the most important information on such a dashboard, which we are having here, is like to see what is the current status of our devices. We want to see if there has been some performance decrease, if we need to increase maybe a cylinder speed, if we're moving too fast or too slow. So once you take a look here at the dashboard, you will see some of the most important things which have happened there. So as an example, the stroke time of the PRR is too slow, so the movement is not working properly. We need to adjust that in order to have a more productive machine where we can really get benefit out of the pneumatics ultimately. If you take a look furthermore at the other components, you will see that not just the OE is the topic here, it's also about sustainability of our pneumatics. We want to see how many compressed air has been consumed for one production cycle as an example. So what we are doing is we're taking a look ultimately at the consumption for the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, and even extrapolate this to 1 year to see like what we can do to improve your energy efficiency. Ultimately, we're ending up here with some life cycle indicators. So for the valves, how many times have they been switched? Are they end of life? Do we need to do something there? Do they need to be repaired? All these things can be ultimately found within our solutions here. And this is what Amazon really offers. A comprehensive portfolio with smart products, but also with smart solutions ultimately. For further information, please reach out to our website, amazon.com, and we will be glad to show you some more content here. Many thanks.